Thinking of upgrading your bathroom and wondering if it will add value to your home? Well, the answer is yes. Upgrading your bathroom can improve your home's value, and when it comes time to sell, even increase its marketability. And there's more good news. You don't have to spend much money to do so either. Though a full-scale remodel comes with its fair share of costs, there are plenty of more budget-friendly ways to transform your bathroom for the better. Here are 4 projects you can start with. Number 1, add new paint or wallpaper. A fresh coat of paint in a trendy hue or new wallpaper with a bold print can be a great way to give your bathroom an instant makeover. And you could opt for a nice accent wall if you don't want to commit to the entire room, especially if it's a half bath. Upgrade the hardware. You'd be surprised what a difference new hardware can make. Give the room a facelift without a big investment by updating your faucet, your cabinet handles, drawer pulls, towel bars, and hooks, especially in a new finish. Incorporate storage and organization options. Everyone loves more storage space, so consider installing some shelves, maybe adding some baskets or trays for toiletries on the counter. It will help keep the room more organized and less cluttered in the long run. Install a new light fixture. You could take out those old sconces and install a more contemporary, eye-catching light fixture. Track lights are on trend, believe it or not, as are more sculptural statement pieces. And even smart lights you can change with an app on your phone. Crazy. Wondering how you're going to pay for all these improvements? Get in touch with me to learn about options such as financing your projects, or better yet, Coldwell Banker's Revitalize program. Before you make improvements to your home, I strongly suggest you reach out to your realtor first. Why? Well, because we know what's in style, where the money should be spent, and where future buyers perceive value in your home. If you decide to go for it because you love a pink tub or green kitchen cabinets, know that when it comes time to sell your home, you may have to spend the money to redo those items again to make them more appealing to the masses, if you want to get the biggest, highest price for your home. Remember me if you know of anyone who's interested in buying or selling. Until then, stay tuned for more real estate tips coming your way. I'm Melinda.DavalaSarkis, Coldwell Banker, Newport Beach, and Boston.